In the weather world, I would say we're fairly calm. We're in what we call peacetime here at Fox Weather, and I will take as much peace as I can get.
Absolutely. This is the time of year where it can get crazy very quickly, which is a good reminder because that dime can flip with little notice, and so you need to remain vigilant. But it is nice to be sitting this far into hurricane season and have so little impact to land for the U.S. With that said, it doesn't mean we haven't seen anything. I mean, the one hurricane we pulled off was a Cat 5, so that should say enough about the quality of energy that's out there that just hasn't been tapped just yet. So as we wake up on a Monday, here's the state of the tropics, as I like to call it. We got one spot that we're watching. Lots of time to watch this because it's in the open Atlantic, but all the computer models agree that this would become Gabrielle. But we've been in this position before, just to put that out there. Remember our invest that went from 90% of being Gabrielle to nothing? This one likely will perform. 80% chances over the next 7 days. I say that because there's only one limiting factor. Our other tropical waves have struggled. There's been a couple reasons why. This literally is just dust. And these thunderstorms, I would say, and, I'm interested to hear your input because you watch this all throughout the weekend. But if the thunderstorms have done this well with the dry, stable air thus far, they probably are going to be able to hold together.
Yeah, I saw somebody on X when 91L went from 90 to 0. And they said, it goes to show what is happening in the Atlantic when you have what would have been a perfect wave get snuffed out so easily. And so that was the state over the last couple of weeks. But now, I mean, it was getting entrained in some of the dust, but there were thunderstorms in just a small moist pocket in between two areas of dust plumes. And so it is really trying to take advantage of its environment, which is why, I think we can say that this is more than likely going to be Gabrielle. At one moment, we were saying 91L would be, but this one I feel confident in that it's going to continue to ride that wave, and it will emerge in a much better pocket of atmosphere in the next couple of days. I say we get that name probably on Thursday would be my best guess.
There's a look at the extended forecast. So again, all the models agree that this will eventually turn into a storm. The good news is with the overall steering patterns that are set up in the Atlantic, it looks very low end that we would have impact to land. Now, I do say that with a little bit of a pause because we don't even have a storm yet. So you can't get too far ahead of yourself. But if you're looking at a long-range forecast, you at least like what you're seeing. Sometimes we get these red flags right off the bat. We're like, this is going to be bad. This is definitely going to be bad. This one, right now, at least we have a lot going for our favor of limiting land impact. There's a look at the dust, which is why this is kind of a slow burn, so to speak, but the conditions become a lot more favorable the end of this week. At that point, with the steering mechanisms, we're looking at a miss most likely for the Caribbean islands, but make sure that we watch it very closely because it's not a guarantee. In terms of the U.S., we do have cold fronts that are coming off, and that dip in the jet stream pretty pronounced in the computer models for the end of the week, which would also be in our favor.